Arctic Rescue, SeaWorld San Diego. Also known as for one ride that is a huge pain in the ass to get on because they're only running one train during peak summer season. Make it make sense. No matter, I'm here already. There we go.
Sit upright, hold on, and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the snowmobile. Now prepare to enjoy the power speed of Arctic Rescue.
Alright, here we go. Launch time, baby. Whoa, boy. There you have it. That's Arctic Rescue. It really is a fun ride. If only they learned to run more than one train.
Welcome back, guys. It's under 11